How to borrow money from Cash App instant loan. All I have to do is just open the Cash App. When you look at the bottom left corner, you can see the home icon. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you right here. You can add cash and you can withdraw cash as well. But when you scroll down, you can see we have the bank transfer over there. Okay, I just want you to click on the bank transfer. When you click on the bank transfers, you will then be given the option to select any of these. We have a direct deposit, we have a cash card. When you scroll up, we have this also. And then when you look down, you can see that we have get free cash card. Okay, just click on it. Click on the get free cash card. And then over here, you can select any of these cash card. If you don't have one, it is very necessary for you to select one. Okay, it is for free. This one, when you click on it, what I have to do is that you can just personalize it, or you can just click on other card. Okay, this is the first step. You have to do it, and then when you are done, the next thing is to click on the profile icon over there. Just click on it. When it comes, I just want you to scroll down, and then over here, the first thing that you have to look at is the limits. Okay, just click on the limits, and then for the limits, you can send $1,000 per month. You can receive $1,000 per month, and then you can cash out 25,000 per week. Okay, then the next thing I have to look at is the linked banks. Okay, just click on the linked banks. When you click on it, the next thing is that click on the link debit card. Okay, just click on it. After you click on it, the next thing is to link your local bank with it. It is very necessary. What I have to do is just put in your debit card number, the month, and then you have to put in the zip code. Then you click down here, the link card, just click on it. Okay, if you don't do all these, they will not allow you to borrow. Okay, so the next thing is to go to the support. Just click on the support. When you click on it, over here I want you to type in borrow. Then when it comes, I want you to go to the futures and limits. Just click on it. Okay, and then take your time and read all these. But the most important thing is that before you be able to borrow, you have to be more than 18 years. Okay, 18 years and above. When you meet this requirement, just scroll down and then come here. We have the contact support. Just click on it. After that, I want you to look at the downside. We have the chat. Just click on the chat. Okay, then it will bring you right here. So just tell them that you meet all the requirements to borrow, and then they are just going to assign to you somebody to help you with this issue. And then this life support person is then going to help you to approve your borrow future, which will come. Okay, so when it has been approved, the next thing I have to do is to come back to the home side. Okay, when you come back to the home side, just click on the home button again, and then I just want you to scroll through. Downside, you will see the borrow future. As you can see, it will be added just like this one, and then you also receive a prompt like this one saying that you can now borrow. Okay, and then all I have to do is just click on get started, or click on the borrow future. So when you click on it, it will bring you right here, and then ask you to enter the amount that you want to borrow right here. For the first time, they will give you up to $100, which with time it will then be increased, and you can borrow even up to $1,000. Okay, so this is how to borrow on Cash App. I hope you have learned it, and then like it, and see you in my next video.